Advanced Polymer Repairs is a leader in the application of high-performance polymer coatings. This video is copyright protected. Watch a step-by-step installation of a tube sheet protection system which was pioneered by our installers over 25 years ago. We were able to complete the installation without getting dust and dirt throughout your workplace. Our goal is to leave your workspace cleaner than before we arrived. Each tube end is being flared just a few thousandths of an inch in order to make it round and uniform. Rubber grit blasting plugs are installed in each tube. A containment system is being ready for installation over the work area to keep all dust and debris inside the work area. Here the blasting pod is being ready. Note the 3 large HEPA filtration units, 2 red units and 1 gray to the right. These filters discharge clean air from the blasting area. Chokers are used on all airline connections per OSHA guidelines. One end of the machine is shown here. Blasting plugs are installed and is ready for blasting. Polyethylene sheets are glued together to create the blasting containment. The containment is now being installed on one end of the chiller in preparation for dust-free blasting. On the opposite end, note that the feed and discharge openings are plugged. The dividers were worn and we rebuilt them in place, saving the client the expense of removing the divider housing. Our experienced grit blasting mechanic is wearing full protective clothing with a constant source of clean, filtered air being supplied to his helmet throughout the blasting process. He is sealed into the work area until blasting is complete. Note that the hose on the upper right inflates the containment with fresh air, while the hose on the left evacuates all dust into a series of HEPA filtration systems. Grit blasting with absolutely no dust being discharged into the client's mechanical room. One more look at the unit before blasting. With the blasting complete and the containment broken down for removal, all of the blasting plugs are being removed along with any excess blasting media and debris. All of the heavy blasting debris has accumulated on the polyethylene, which is reinforced with a piece of plywood so that the debris can be sealed inside the poly. All containers of debris are then double bagged before being taken to the client's dumpster. With blasting complete, you can see a near white metal finish with an SA2 to SA3 profile for maximum adhesion. Special coatings plugs are installed in each tube. These plugs have a shoulder that allows them to be installed only to the correct depth. A ceramic enhanced polymer paste is then worked into the gaps between the plugs to a thickness of approximately 1/8 of an inch. The plugs are completely covered in paste. The same ceramic enhanced polymer paste is applied to the heads, baffles, and dividers as applicable. Note that the groove for the divider is carefully kept free of any paste so that the divider will seat correctly. The head is then ground flat. Once the paste has cured hard, any excess is ground off using diamond grinding wheels. The paste is too hard for regular grinding wheels. The top of the coating plugs is used as a guide to provide a perfectly flat surface. With the plugs removed, the tube ends are now flush with the paste, and the entire tube sheet is never in contact with water for the life of the system. With all the dirty work complete, it's time to make sure that everything is cleaner than before we arrived. All debris is double bagged, placed on carts, and covered with tarps while moving through the building. Note the very professional finish on the tube sheet face while cleaning continues. A final top coat of a high-performance ceramic enhanced system is applied. You will appreciate this smooth finish while cleaning the machine for maintenance. The coated surfaces are very easy to clean. With bright blue on top of gray, it is very easy to see any wear of the top coat. That said, our first chiller was done in 1990. After a thorough cleaning, it looks almost as nice as this one, just completed. Feel free to call Advance to discuss protecting your multi-million-dollar chillers along with many other surface protection systems we have developed. Many may be viewed on our website.